welcome. You're watching NDTV. I'm Disha Bagchi, and today's story we're looking at how the US's H-1B program is under scrutiny yet again, and this time this firestorm has been triggered by a US former congressman as well as an Indian American diplomat herself. So what has happened now is that a former US consulate official, an officer, Mahvesh Siddiqui, who previously served and worked at the US consulate in Chennai, has alleged a massive industrial large-scale fraud taking place at the US consulate in Chennai, where she alleges that over 2 lakh H-1B visas were processed and issued from the US consulate in Chennai alone. Now, it is important to note that the H-1B visa cap is at 85,000 visas per year. So it is extremely shocking, the claim that she has made, that over 2 lakh visas were processed and issued from the US consulate in Chennai alone. Now, this claim was then amplified by former US Congressman Dave Brat, who was speaking at Steve Bannon's podcast, The War Room, where he said that essentially saying that this is a massive fraud that's taking place, that the fact that over 70% of H-1B visas are issued to Indians, followed by Chinese nationals, which is the second largest group, is now extremely concerning, and has again amplified this claim made by Mahvesh Siddiqui, saying that this needs to be seriously looked at by the Trump administration. So let's decode what really happened here. So Mahvesh Siddiqui claims, as I mentioned, that Chennai processed over 2,20,000 H-1B visas as well as 1,40,000 H-4 visas for dependents in 2024 alone. Now, as I mentioned, the cap is at 85,000. So what she has now said is that most of these visas were secured using dishonest means, and that they were fraudulent visas. And in fact, she's also said that these visa applications were supported by fake degrees. And in often cases, the applicants even refused to have interviews where the interview was being conducted by an American officer, claiming that these fake applicants wanted, and these fraudulent applicants, I beg your pardon, wanted only interviews to be conducted by the Indian consulate officials. So what she's also said, that many of these applicants involved in these fraudulent visa applications were in fact could not even meet the basic skill requirement and language requirements needed for the H-1B visa. Now, to tell our viewers, H-1B visa is specifically targeted at a high-skilled talent, especially from the STEM degrees and the STEM sector, which is science, tech, and healthcare. So, her now claiming that these fraudulent applicants couldn't even meet the basic skill level needed to apply for the H-1B visa. She's also said that she's claimed that while the consulate did flag this concern, saying that a large number of these applicants were using fake degrees, fake documents, forging documents, she said that due to political pressure from the top level, this was not investigated further. So she's also said that many Indian managers were offering jobs to these fraudulent applicants in exchange for certain portions of the salaries. So again, another massive claim, massive revelation made by Mahvesh, and she's saying that this really compromised the H-1B visa application system in the US consulate in Chennai, and it begs the question really that what impact is this going to have firstly on the H-1B program? We already know that the Trump administration over the past year has been constantly investigating, constantly trying to overhaul the rules of the H-1B program in the sense to restrict foreign nationals from entering the country, saying that foreign nationals are taking away jobs from Americans. Even former Congressman Dave Brat has said that these fraudulent practices are now stealing American dreams. So, in fact, the US president also just last week said that while we want foreign talent to come to the country, it needs to be restricted. and even the White House saying that the Trump administration supports limited use of the foreign H1B program, and saying that Americans will be put up for American jobs first. So now this massive claim being made by Mavish Siddiqui, this Indian American diplomat, is really going to bring this program into further scrutiny. And this will this mean trouble for Indians who are looking to apply for this visa in the next year? We'll have to wait and find out, but definitely very shocking revelations made by Mavish Siddiqui, and we at NDTV will continue to bring you all the latest updates regarding the US immigration system and other developing stories. This is Disha Bagchi for NDTV.